I'll just kiri mumu. I now pronounce you man and wife.
It's very cold outside, so when you're ready, put on a jacket and come have breakfast with me. Love ya. Hey, good morning, Mrs. Roth. Would you like to meet your daughter? Go say hello to Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
That's right. Good morning.
Oh my goodness.
Grandpa's here.
Hi, Dad.
come true.